It is a cool, chilly morning here in Florida, and I really don't want to get out of bed, but I have to. My bed is so comfy. But I'm going to do a little master bedroom refresh, and I'm going to share with you a sheet set by California Design Den. Now let me tell you a little dirty secret. Now the dirty little secret is luxury hotels use 100% natural cotton sheets, and inexpensive motels use microfiber. It is made from plastic. Yep, you heard me right. And causes massive microfiber pollution in our waterways. Yes, consumers get conned into buying microfiber as it is cheap, it feels soft initially, and ends up with a high number of reviews. But this is not the case with California Design Den's sheets. They are 100% natural cotton, and they have no plastic products. Now, as my husband and I make our bed for the day, let me tell you a little bit about California Design Den sheet sets. It's 100% long staple pure cotton, sateen weave. It's the highest quality, best cotton sheets. What I love about these sheet sets are the deep pockets on the fitted sheet. This eco-friendly sheet set retains softness for a lifetime and resists fading. It comes in twin X, full, queen, king, and California king sizes. Each bed set is stitched by a skilled artisan, then inspected by hand. This attention to detail makes them superior in look and feel to Egyptian cotton linens. If you love luxury and durability of hotel bed sheets and the look of crisp pillowcases, you will adore this 400 thread count sheet set. So information about California Design Den and this product can be found in my description box down below. Now, California Design Den have a deal of the day running on Amazon on January 26th on their 400 thread count sheet sets. I have a couple of these sets and I love them, and I'm sure you will love them too. So guys, my hubby and I, we're going to continue to make our bed. I'm going to do a little master bedroom refresh. Going to change it up just a bit. And what I mean about changing it up a bit, I'm going to put my duvet cover back on this comforter set. So I want to share with you how we put it on. Duvet covers, I love them because they're not as bulky as a comforter set, and you can change the look with ease in your bedroom. Now I lay the duvet cover at the foot of the bed with the opening, very large opening. Hubby usually helps me out, and we grab the bottom of the comforter, holding the corner, and we go all the way in till we reach the end or the foot of the duvet cover. And we pinch the corner of the comforter inside, making sure that that comforter is in the duvet. And then we start pulling upwards until we reach the top and the comforter is fully covered. And then we start buttoning up the duvet. It is as simple as that. Now for all of the pillows. I'm changing the pillow shams as well to the pillow shams that came with the duvet cover. And as you know, I love my decorative pillows and they are a must-have on my bed. Now right here I took down the artwork above my headboard and I'm struggling trying to get up on the bed to replace it with a piece, another art piece, due to being very sore from doing a little work at a baby shower decorating. But I'm placing this metal piece above my headboard just to give a little different look. And then I'm going to change out my lamps. Everything that you see me putting in place are things that I've already had. I'm shopping my home for these items. And guys, I even placed my chairs that I had in my dining room in this space. And I placed some red pillows in the chairs. Of course, your master bedroom has to have a little candlelight, and those sconces came from Hobby Lobby. And the battery candles came from Amazon. But I love this look. And this is the rug that I picked up recently from at home. This room is giving me a traditional feel right now. And I'm loving it. Then I added a throw. And a red pillow to my bed. And that is it. That is the end of this little refresh. And I may add a little more later, so you'll have to come back and see what else I do to this space. But this shows you that you can shop your home and give a room a different feel at no cost. Thank you for watching. You take care, and you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.